Hi, this is Shafir Ali again for the second video on our series Immigration Attorney Answers or Response, and we are going to talk about the F1 to H4 and H4 to F1 again, a question that was posed by Jen on our forum, splawforum.com. Again, whatever I'm going to tell you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney for more information, and if you have any questions, call us at the office at 510-742-5887. The question that was asked is, I have completed my MBA and being an F1 and did my OPT, which is a optional practical training program, which gives you what we call a work permit. My H1B got denied with the reason that the company is too small, something very frequent. Since the OPT got over, I converted my visa to H4 as a dependent of my spouse. So obviously, Jen's spouse was an H1B. Now I got admitted to ITU University and planning to apply for F1 so that I can get an H1B applied in the coming April. That means April 2014. Do you think there would be any issues in getting an F1 right now, and will there be any issues with the H1B? First of all, Jan, thank you for the question. What we have seen, it's not very difficult to move from H4 to F1. We have actually a good video on this. And but the thing is, the problem depends on the school. Some of the schools, unfortunately, after the famous Tri-Valley University has become, I should call it, schools that are under the radar, and they are being checked very carefully, and for good reasons, by ICE, Immigration Custom Enforcement. So moving to an F1 sometimes might not be a good answer if you can stay on H4. However, many people would like to move on F1 because, unfortunately, as you know, H4 is not granting any work permit, which is very unfortunate, and we are fighting against that, by the way. And soon, hopefully, H4 will be able to get a work permit. Not all H4, hopefully, I say, because still under the rule-making stage. So right now at this point, I don't see any problem. However, there might be problem depending what subject you're moving to, or if you're going to use a CPT, or ultimately moving to a program that doesn't make sense. So make sure whatever you're doing, according to the question, again, if you look at further on the SP Law Forum link, the person mentioned that he or she has already done what we call an MBA and wants to go for another MBA. It's not a very good idea because it doesn't really make sense that you're going for two MBAs. However, going into a different area, there's nothing wrong to go on your F1. Again, all those questions are very much, I'm giving general answers. So if you want a detailed consultation, feel free to call us at the office, 510-742-5887, 510-742-5887. Visit our website, splgpc.com or Pirali Law, and of course our famous forum, splawforum.com. And thank you very much. We will be posting more videos soon, and anything that I told you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. Thank you very much. This is Shafir Ali signing off from Newark, California.